Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and today what we're going to be doing is detangoing these Mk5 Ford Fiesta headlights. Just a quick mention, we are at the Sloth HQ, so go check that guy's channel out, give him a bit of support, he helps me out. We both just sort of work together at the moment, YouTube wise. I'll appear in some of his videos, he'll sometimes appear in some of mine. Chuck us up. But anyway, these headlights, detangoing, I know there is already a video on it, and my methods basically are the same as the guy who's already done that. So now I'll move on to the tools of the job. Simply flathead screwdriver and a butter knife, and also hairdryer, or in this case, Jake has very politely let us use the heat gun. So it's this is the Hairdresser 5000 piece of equipment. No, it's not. It's a heat gun, and it's better than a hairdryer, so that's why I'm using it. On each of these headlights there is 4 clips, one here, and if we turn it over, you will see there is one here and one here, so 2 on each side. What we're basically doing is just clipping off from the back here, and that will just pop them off. Doing this one-handed is going to be a little awkward, I'm not going to lie. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. There's one, lovely, there, away that goes. I'm trying to keep track of them as they fly off. Got it. Now the next plan of action is we're now going to get a heat gun. We're just going to go around all the edge here and even on the bottom here. Just work it around, but we are mainly going to pry from the top. We want to try and keep as little a section prying as possible, as we don't want to disturb the silicone on it too much, because it is all held in by silicone paste around the edges, and we're going to reuse that. And we're just basically going to get the knife in between the plastic and the glass, but we're going to be very careful about it, because obviously it is glass and I imagine it could break quite easily.
This is so much easier with an oven. How old's the butter knife?
Oh, what?
How old is the butter knife?
What does it matter?
Just curious.
And that is how you do it. If you wanted to just detango, there's literally for this, there's just one clip here. So we poke down on that and then pull. Give it a bit of prying with the flathead as well. Try and encourage it up. Should come out. It does feel a bit brutal. It's just a case of manhandling it, and away it comes. I think we've only broke one clip there, which was that one. That is how you would go about if you just wanted to detango, but we're going to go that little step more. Right then, so I was gonna potentially half-arse this and just spray the front, but I don't think you can make it out on camera. I'm just gonna come a little closer there. You can sort of see through still, and I don't know what effect that's gonna have when we put it back onto the actual headlight. So rather than mess about and chance it, I think I'm just gonna spray the back as well, so we have full, complete blackout coverage of these orange bits. Obviously, as you can see, we've taped off the center on the front and the rear, just so we've still got that orange and we're not completely blacking out the bulb. So let's get the back of this sprayed. Right then, so this is the grand reveal. This is what we're looking at now. The tape is off. I think it looks really, really good. We can't see through it anymore. And now let's put it back on the actual the light itself. This can take a bit of tweaking. And it's in. And already, before we've even got the glass back on, I think that is a job bloody well done. So now it's just a case of heating up this silicone around here, and we're going to place it back into the channel, encourage it back into the channel, and then we're going to apply the glass shortly after. So now it's just a case of lining up and pushing, squeezing very hard, and get the clips wherever I put them. There they are. There. Just go over and just clip over the opposite way of what we pulled them off. Really, I've got to squeeze with this. There we go. So that is all the clips on. And now we can take a proper look at the final result, and as you can see, absolutely loads better. If you look at the comparison, you'll see how much of a difference it makes. I honestly do prefer the new one, the new black one, to the old orange. I think it looks loads better, it gives it a bit more of a modern look.
So, Jake, what do you think to the transformation of the indicators?
Oh, that's right.
Right then, so that is the lights done. Really happy with the result of them, to be honest, and sort of, I don't know, I think I'd say it was a bit of a tedious job because of how long it takes with the silicone and heating it up and stuff like that, but the longer you do it, the better the result a lot of the time. The next stage is to see what they look like on the car. So just to add, I do think these look really nice, but there is one issue with them, and that is, as you can see, this side, this clip here is how it's meant to look, and this is how this one looks. It's been snapped at some point in its life, which means this headlight is a bit wonky, so we will have to address that at some stage. I think it'll be okay for now because it's got the two screws supporting it in there, but we will have to repeat this process on another set of headlights, maybe if I get some from a scrapyard or something, and then we can go from there with it and get one that actually sits in properly. But that is it for this video, guys, and I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.